Ruby.
I am Rizalyn.
I'm Patrick.
I'm Restimar.
I'm Ellie.
We are from Group 18, Section GUB1 of Engineering Data Analysis.
In this video, we are going to share with you the basic functions of Minitab and how useful it is to analyzing the data. But before that, Mr. Tugari and Mr. Gran will discuss to you roles of the Minitab.
So what is Minitab? Minitab used for statistical data analysis for statistician. Editing picture we use Photoshop, documents we use Word, but in statistics we mostly use Minitab.
Minitab is a tool used by Six Sigma professionals to help in analyzing the data and in improving the business process. So what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a discipline that deals with a set of quality management techniques. It deals with historical data to help the process.
So why Minitab and why not using Excel? Excel is very good in summarizing data and highlighting some data, but in mathematical function, Minitab is the best choice. And now, Mr. Mirasol will demonstrate the functions and tools of Minitab.
When you open Minitab, you will see the session window and the worksheet. A session window will show your statistical result and other output, while the worksheet contains your data. A single worksheet can contain up to 4,000 columns, while the maximum number of rows depends upon your computer's available memory. You could begin by typing your data directly to Minitab. Here you can enter a column name and then simply type your data in the cells below. If you need to open a new empty worksheet at any time, choose File, then New, Minitab Worksheet. Although you can type your data directly into Minitab, you may already have your data in another location, such as Excel. In this case, you can either copy and paste your data into Minitab or you can import your data. If you need to import your data from a database, you can use File, then Query Database, and then select the machine data source to get the list of databases that are available from your computer. Now let's go back to the file, Open Worksheet, and open our sample. This Minitab worksheet contains data. We can see here that the data are arranged in columns, where each column represents a different variable, and each row represents an individual data. You will notice that the column number and format are located at the top of each column. There are 3 different column formats in Minitab: numeric, text, and datetime. Here we can see that the first column is labeled C1T, where the T indicates this column is text. The column C2, C3, C4 are formatted as numeric. Minitab automatically formats the columns based on the data found in the first row. Once you have your data in Minitab, you're ready to do your analysis. The menu that you will use most often are the Stat menu and the Graph menu. For example, create a histogram with normal curve for the column 2. We simply choose histogram with feet and enter our selected column. In addition to Stat and Graph menu, you can also analyze your data using Assistant menu, which helps you to find the right tool and interpret your result. To conduct one sample T in Assistant menu, we can choose Hypothesis Test, then one sample T, then select the column that we choose, then input 5, and then select the mean of 5 different from 5. Once you've run your analysis and you want to save all of your work including your graphs and your data, choose File, Save Project. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.
First, let's write the given from the problem. Mean equals to 9.1 seconds and the alpha is 2.2 seconds. X and 3 minus squared. X equals to 5.5. Okay, from the given, so we have the main 9.1 and the alpha 2.2 squared. We have the p 5.5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12.5. Z equals to x minus main over alpha. X is 5.5 minus main 9.1 and alpha 2.2. Oh, because if you calculate it in a calculator, you can get negative 1.636. That's the answer. So let's compute the Z2. Same formula, x over equals to 12.5 because our L squared is 12.5 minus 9.1 over the alpha 2.2 equals to, if you calculate it in calculator, you can get 1.545. P is negative 1.636 greater than equals to 0.93943 minus 0.5050 equals to 0.88893. That's the final answer. If you can get less than, so you use negative. So let's graph. Let's plot. Here's the P, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. This way is 5.5. That way is 0.5. So that is the graph.